Hey friends, quick disclaimer, this video is from footage taken fall of 2021, right before winter set in. So everything's kind of winterized and this is all old footage. I'll get new stuff later on, but just trying to get through my old footage and actually send it out. Thanks very much, friends. Bye-bye.
Hello friends! I am back on the road for a short trip because we are heading to Steve's. We are back from Calgary, and naturally Steve having a ton of animals and 4 days away means that he needs some help getting everything fed, watered, and a few upgrades that we're going to do while we're out there. So Courtney is with me, Howdy. Mouse is with me, and we are on the way to Steve's now.
Okay, buddy.
Yeah, you? Hello!
This is a weird dog.
Play with me, puppy.
It's a weird dog.
I'm gonna drool on it.
Oh yeah, you're gonna slobber all over it.
Yeah. If he slobbers on us, we can slobber on him. Hey, Mikey. Is that a new cow that you haven't met yet? Mouse, what do you think?
Mouse is unsure about this dog. Mouse does not know if this dog is a good dog. Hello, Max. Oh. You know you're my next breed boy.
We are here cleaning out Littlefoot's enclosure. We're here cleaning out Littlefoot's enclosure, and Littlefoot is not amused with us, but
He's tolerating it pretty well.
yeah. So we're gonna see if Steve can handle Littlefoot. Dad,
No.
Didn't we?
I don't want this.
Oh, yeah, your water
You stole my water.
is gone.
Oh, that was cool.
Okay. Right, turn back, okay?
'Kay.
Go left.
It's funny, the video makes Littlefoot seem so small. And like I watch it on the screen, I'm like, Littlefoot looks tiny. And then I look over and I'm like, no,
No, that is big.
yeah.
No, he's about 8 feet.
Did you want the table?
No, he's actually really calm.
He's pretty chill right now. Yeah.
Yeah. This I can deal with. When he's in hungry, warm, fast mood, he's a little bit more than average. Yeah, so I turned off his heater yesterday
Aren't you
because
handsome?
it was smelling rather funky because Mr. didn't eat all of his meal.
Yeah, handsome boy. He's like, you stole my water. Look at him. Yes,
Dude,
you
make
are
a lovely
gorgeous.
purse.
Like when he's not rip roaring, he's actually pretty easy to manage and handle. Like I'll take him for walks around the big. I just open the door and get him. Like I try to not be too hands on, and I haven't jumped on him or tried to restrain his mouth since I got him in like October. It's kind of the one time he wasn't happy and he went side to side with his teeth out all that. Like slicing my hand just wasn't really
Nope.
worth it, and I don't want to stress him out. But he does know tub for coming in. He knows out. We do up for like I'll hold food and he can jump almost to the like top of the wall, and then been working on stay, but yeah, that one's been hit or miss. But he's being a good boy right now, so that's
Yeah, he's so handsome.
nice. I think I was gonna bring this in together.
dog.
There's a boy. Nothing is doing. No, he's going to wreck everything.
Corner dad. Dad, I want your teeth.
Make it warm, eh?
The deeper it gets, the faster I get.
Yeah.
As you just spray your own pants. He was already wet.
We're clean.
You gotta get one of those brushes
Yeah.
for dishes.
You feel even chewing on this thing, that's why we have to have your heater in here.
Yeah, if you chew on everything.
Yeah. Don't trust it.
Never trust them. Just trying to sneak around your back.
Yeah.
Yeah. You handsome fellow.
He's behaving. Grumpy.
Mr. Handsome decided to chew on his light fixture while Steve was away. Just destroyed the thing, so Steve's now had to clean it all out and get him a new one. But he's mad because his water got taken away for a minute. And now he'll get it refilled and then he'll be back to being a happy guy. I got to pet him and he feels like it's reptile skin, so it's soft, but it's also just pure armor, and it feels absolutely incredible. I petted the safe side because I'm definitely more of a wuss. And thanks, Courtney. Yeah.
He is a little on the calmer side, okay?
Yeah, he's being a good boy today.
Yeah, it scratches. Good boy.
Oh, his noises. And when he does the grumble too.
Oh, the best is when he bellows.
Oh yeah, and I don't know if you guys remember, but I posted that I got him a ball. And
Look how well used this thing is.
this thing is absolutely, he just pierces holes in it and
Yeah.
just shreds it, and it's holding up great.
You want to play your ball?
There you go. You can take out your madness on that. And then last, check out what we found as we were cleaning up. And by we, I mean Steve found it, because I'm not reaching into the water with him. But some alligator teeth. So that's pretty fun.
Yeah, they're continually losing and growing new teeth, which is pretty cool.
Yeah. So, oh, he's such a handsome guy. So glad I get to visit him. He's just being cute. He's enjoying the new warm water coming in. Filling him back up. He'll get it filthy again in no time, but for right now, it's just being a cutie. He's just got the prettiest eyes. I don't know if the camera picks that up, but when he's got his big eyes open.
Yeah, just watch out, he'll pick up the camera.
Yeah. Yeah, if I'm gonna lose my camera, it could be to you, eh? You handsome? You want to chew on your dad's feet? Yes. Your dad said no. But there he is, being all handsome. And soon his water will be back up and full, and he will be happy once again.
Yeah, until the next adventure disaster.
Yes, you are a chaos monster.
Seems to be, I like to do water changes once a month, ideally.
But it's more like once a week.
But it's been more consistent lately, unfortunately. Luckily, we don't pay for water here with the well, so it's just pump
the
it
electricity
outside
to run
and
it
then fill it back up. Yeah, yeah, it's just the heat for keeping the water warm. Because I keep it, I think it's 82, 84 degrees roughly is his water temp, and he's got his basking. And normally he would have his UV as well, but he didn't really appreciate having UV. So And trying to clean fluorescent tubes out of the pond when they've been used as a chew toy is not the most fun thing either.
You are such a chaos gremlin.
Mm.
It's a good thing you're handsome. It's a good thing you're handsome. Yes. He's just chilling in the warm. What a pretty boy.
Funny how he can be a very different gator at times, right?
Yeah. Last time I was here, he was such a grump because he was hungry, and now he's like, I just wanna chill in the warmth. Yeah. Yes,
Sure
you.
don't drop my freaking cell phone in the pond.
I was taking a picture of him when he was over here, and I fumbled like a second, and I was like, oh, well, there goes my phone.
Mhm.
Got it.
Look at this big guy. Oh, he's going right for your feet.
No, that's just him
Yeah, no, but
moving. But yes, I gotta watch the feet.
yeah.
Oh, Poppy Hop.
Handsome boy.
Oh, they jump out. People think piranhas are crazy. No, awesome. That's Lucifer.
Hi, you.
He's a red devil. This is his girlfriend. And then a convict. Tom and Jerry. And goofballs. They will eat your fingers.
Yeah? Do they have teeth?
Yes.
Okay, no, not sticking my fingers in there.
Yeah. One of them made me bleed at one point.
Hello. Feels like Jaws. I'm getting a reflection off the,
Oh yeah. Usually a water change, but with all the drift in there, it turns it. The
Tannins, yep.
turn it dark, but I kind of
The
like
fish
look
like
of
the
it.
tannins.
Yeah.
You just say it's a dark water.
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
Big goofballs. This is some sort of hybrid, I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
And there's also some driftwood cats in there somewhere.
Oh, yeah. Red tail.
Oh yeah, I'm in the red-tailed shark.
He's so small in comparison to those guys.
Yeah.
In comparison to all my fish, he's big. Hi. Yes, you're pretty. You're pretty.
Are you drinking water out of the friggin'...
Oh, oh show off.
Tell us something you would do.
Show off.
No switch it. Back up.
Maybe.
Show off how pretty you are. Yes.
How are you?
Yeah.
Have big dogs to go lay down. Good girl if they do. See you later. Where are you going? No. Come here.
Up on the shoulder.
Oh. Big kiss. Big kiss. That's no big kiss. Big kiss.
No.
No. Big kiss.
She can feel the cameras on her this time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
can't do it when the camera's
You a
watching.
little shy.
Are you camera shy?
Say hi. Are you dancing? You're gonna poop, aren't you?
Are you gonna poop on your dad?
No, poop on the floor.
Gross.
Hmm?
You gross?
No. I want your hair rubs.
Oh. She's such a daddy's girl.
Yeah. She might come to Edmonton if they say it's okay. Because she's fun. She's a good travel mate. She doesn't scream. She's pretty funny.
Doesn't drool on you.
Doesn't drool. Right?
Okay, we can teach you how to do that. Oh, I got a spot.
We just trimmed her nails the other day. Hmm?
She's like, I'm pretty and I know it.
Yeah. And she's got beautiful big wings.
And she's
With
flighted, right?
Full flight, yep.
Yep.
So what you would do is those longer feathers, these ones here, those are the ones that you would tip. Those are the flight feathers.
Yeah.
So she would be able to maintain, just doesn't really get the uplift. With a bit of draft, she could. So there's always still a chance they could get away, but that's a little bit better. But I've just chosen not to. I'm using, I've got harnesses for all the birds now. So each of them has their own little harness. So I can take them outside and do stuff. Buddy I can take out without a harness. He can't fly because he was butchered and abused. So he's the only one that I don't worry about a harness. But the thing you gotta watch with the harness though is like when quick snip and by the harness is off with that beak. So
Yep.
you gotta still be paying attention and not just, oh, it's on, it's fine and safe. No, we have to be watching and keep her distracted from pulling
at it. Yeah.
I mean, you could always do like falconry dresses and such. Get the leather
Yeah, when I'm
straps.
holding them off, didn't I step up?
I don't think their legs are as strong though.
No, I don't know. But what I'll do is I'll actually just hold her toes
Yeah.
so that.
Are you a cutie?
Oh, that was a little kiss. Yes, she's such a good bird. And she's like, oh shit, how old is she now? She's mid-30s?
Oh wow. She's so
You're
pretty.
older than me.
You're so pretty. Pretty bird.
Yeah, and then she'll get a little
You know it, don't
excited
you?
and she'll start to regurgitate and give daddy some offerings of love.
Aww.
Oh yeah, there we go. Now she's starting to, right? Rub her beak all over me. She's getting a little, she'll put her feathers, her wings out a little bit. She does this little chicken dance and she gets so excited.
Mouse.
Mouse back
Mouse, do
off.
you want the bird on your back? Chloe rides on Maxim. I don't know. I don't think which
He's never met a bird before.
You never met? You want to see it? Ooh. Oh.
I want to sniff its butt.
Gentle.
Yeah, just watch out the beak.
Yeah, you'll learn a lesson if you get bit. That was
Good
cute.
boy.
That was super cute,
Good
sir.
boy. Yeah,
He really wants
that's
to
the
sniff
other
the
end.
bum.
That's the other end.
The bum is where he wants to sniff.
And she's like,
Nope.
No bum.
oh, okay. You be a good girl.
She's such a good girl.
So brave. Mouse, whatever you're doing, don't do
Poop
that.
on the dog.
Yes. Oh, sorry. Sorry, babe. I didn't mean to startle you. I just wanted to get up close and personal because you're so pretty. You're so pretty.
I love how they have like the highlights over all the feathers. Like,
Yes,
each one
everyone is
individual.
tipped with
Yeah.
num num num. Are you a chicken?
She's a silly chicken.
Are you a silly chicken?
No. But Chloe's the big chicken.
I don't know. Chloe came out to say hi to us today, so.
Yeah, I'm a little surprised. It's